I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking an AI photo app that balances speed and quality. This matters because mobile GPUs vary. Once installed, import your JPG or hike and use RAW when you need more latitude. RAW preserves highlights and shadows. Make sure to grant storage, camera, and hardware acceleration permissions so processing runs smoothly. Next, perform the first quick adjustments. Crop to your composition, set exposure and white balance. These foundational changes guide the AI's mask and color suggestions moving forward. Once your base is set, use the AI's subject selection or brush masks to isolate faces, sky, or foreground. This prevents global overprocessing. Then, carefully dial strength sliders for texture, denoise, or style between 0 and 100%. Lower values preserve natural detail, higher values dramatize. Also combine automated filters with manual tone curves and HSL tweaks so you control color casts and contrast. If doing portrait retouching, reduce global smoothing and instead refine the face mask to keep skin believable. To finish, export with intent. Choose format, set quality %, and select resolution presets for social or print. Make sure to save a non-destructive copy or cloud project so you can revisit adjustments later. If you see halos, banding, or odd artifacts, lower the AI strength first, then try toggling the specific mask and rerun that pass. If issues persist, update the app or re-import the original RAW/JPG and repeat the focused edit. That single troubleshooting step solves most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.